Milne predictor corrector methods and Adam-Wassforth predictor corrector methods. So as we know that these methods are under the category of multi-step methods. So first thing, what is a multi-step method? So to find out the solution of in a differential equation, so here multi-step methods. We discuss about the multi-step method. Multi-step method. Multi-step method. Multi-step methods. So as we know that in a single step method and to find out the solution of RDE differential equation by numerical methods, we find what? We find a point-wise solution. What is the meaning of this one? Meaning of this one is if dy by dx equal fxy yx0 equal y0. This one is a first order differential equation with initial values. So if we have what is the meaning of a point-wise solution? Means a point-wise solution. Point-wise solution. Point-wise solution. So if we have a value of means the initial value x0, y0, then with the help of these two values x0, y0, we find what? We find x1, y1. Means we find the value of solution at x equal x1. And similarly, with the help of x1, y1, we find what? We find x2, y2. And similarly, in a similar manner, we find xn plus 1 and yn plus 1. Yn plus 1. Now, what is the meaning of this one point-wise solution? In a numerical methods, we don't find means any function. Solution in form of a function. We find the solution. What is the value of a solution at x equal x0? What is the value of a solution? Value of a y at x equal x1. What is the value of a y at x equal x2? Similarly, what is the value of a y at x equal xn plus 1? So this one is a point-wise solution. And again, solution by the numerical method of RDE differential equation can be categorized into a single step solution and multi-step solution. So what's happening in a single step solution means to find out the value of a y1, only we use the value of a previous step only, one step. Means to find out the value of a y2, we use only the value of a previous step. Means that we use the value of a x1, y1. To find out the value of a xn, yn plus 1, we use only value of a what? Xn and yn. This one is a what? This one is a single step methods. What's happening in a multi-step methods? As its name, it's clear. In a multi-step method, to find out the value of a y2, we use the value of we may use the value of all previous step or some value of a previous step. Means to find out the value of a yn plus 1, we may use the value of yn minus 1, yn minus 2 and yn minus 3. To find out the value of a y2, we use the value of a y1, y0, x1, x0. So to find out value at any point in a multi-step method, we use what? We use the value of more than one previous step. But in a single step, we use immediate previous step, values of immediate previous step. So this one is the difference between single step methods and multi-step methods. Means to find out the yn plus 1, we use the value of a yn. We can use the value of a yn minus 1, yn minus 2, y2, y1 up to yc. Now, there are two more popular means a method under the category of not a more means two most popular methods under the category of a multi-step methods. First one is मिल ने predictor character methods. Character method. Mill ne predictor character method. Second one, and Mill ne predictor character method is also known as a Mill ne Simpson predictor character method. Predictor character method. Predictor character method. And second one is a what? Second one is a Adam-Bosforth predictor character method. Predictor character method. So these are the two most popular methods under the category of a multi-step methods. Means to find out the value of a yn plus 1, we use the value of a previous step. Means value of a yn, value of a yn minus 1, value of a yn minus 2. So now we are going to derive a mathematical formula of a Milne predictor character methods, and which one is also known as a Milne-Simpson predictor character method, because Milne developed the predictor formula and Simpson developed the character formula. Both formulae is based on a same concept. So here this one is known as either Milne predictor character method or Milne-Simpson predictor character method, and second one is a Adam-Bosforth predictor character methods. So now we are going to derive a mathematical iterative scheme of a Milne predictor character method, and on the basis of that, in a similar manner, we write directly the iterative scheme of a Adam-Bosforth predictor character method. Now Milne predictor character methods. So iterative scheme of a Milne predictor character method. Milne predictor character method. Milne predictor character method. So Milne predictor character method is based on a fundamental theorem of a calculus. So in a Milne predictor character method, we use what? We use the y n plus 1 equal yj plus integrate xj to n plus 1 xn plus 1 f of xy dx. So if j equal n minus 3, j equal n minus 3, then we find what? Open integral formula, means j equal n minus 3, then we find what? We find a Milne predictor formula. Milne's predictor formula. And if j equal n minus 1, then we find Milne character formula, also known as a Simpson character formula. Milne's character formula, also known as a Simpson character formula. Simpson's character formula. formula. What is the meaning of this one? There are two terms, predictor, corrector. So first we predict the value of yn plus 1 by the Milne predictor formula. Then we correct that values of yn plus 1 with the help of a Milne corrector or Simpson corrector formula. Simpson corrector formula. So there are two formulae. First one is a predictor formula, second one is a corrector formula. So predictor formula is used to predict the value of yn plus 1 and corrector formula is used to correct the predicted value of yn plus 1. So that's why this one is called what? Milne predictor corrector method. So first we predict the value, then we correct the value. Now first we derive the predictor formula. Milne predictor formula. Milne's predictor formula. Predictor formula. Milne predictor formula. So as we define this, Milne derived the predictor formula using the fundamental theorem of a calculus and putting the value of a j equal what? J equal n minus 3. So if we put here j equal n minus 3, what will happen? This become what? Yn plus 1. Yn plus 1 equal yn minus 3. Yn minus 3 plus x n minus 3 to n plus 1 f of xy dx. xy dx. So xy dx. So suppose we are going to develop a predictor formula for the equation. What is the differential equation? Dy by dx equal fxy. And what are the values is given? Means x0, y0 is given, x1, y1 is given, x2, y2 is given, x3, y3 is given. Then we try to predict the value of a y4. So means we have four known values: x0, y0, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, and then we predict the value of a y4. So here yn plus 1 equal yn minus 3 plus xn minus 3 to xn plus 1 fxy dx. You may also write this one yn plus 1 equal yn minus 3 plus this become xn minus 3 to xn plus 1 f of in place of f of xy we write what? Y dash. Suppose we develop the predictor formula for dy by dx equal fxy, and what is the given values? x0, y0 is a given, or you may write in a standard form. Means what is the given? Means yx0 equal y0, yx1 equal y1, yx2 equal y2, and yx3 equal y3. This one is a given. This one is a what? This one is a differential equation that we are going to develop what? Predictor character formula. Predictor character formula. So there is a four known values. Four known values at for the solution. At x0 what is the value for y, at x1 what is the value for y, at x2 what is the value for y, at x3 what is the value for y. These are the known values. So here we write what? Y dash. In place of fxy we write a y dash dx. So now for n equal 3, because there is a need of four values. So for n equal 3, what is the value for y4? Y4 become y0 plus 3 minus 3, this means x0 and 3 plus 1 x4 and y dash dx. Y dash dx. Now, here how many number of unknown values? x0 to x4. x0, x1, x2, x3 and x4. So we have a 5 known values. 5 known values. So what is the maximum degree of a polynomial that we able to fit? 4 degree polynomial. And what is the maximum order of a forward differences? Maximum order of a forward differences that we able to find out means fourth order forward differences. And here we also assume that x0, x1, x2, x3 have a equal class interval. Means the difference between x1 minus x0 equal to the x2 minus x1, x3 minus x2. You may also say x1 is about x0 plus h and x2 is about x0 plus 2h. So here y dash dx. So here we write y4 equal y0 and here we use the forward interpolation formula. Forward interpolation formula x0 to x4. What is the forward interpolation formula and how many number of a term here we write? We write the 5 term because there is a 4 known values x0 y0, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4. x0 to x4 there is a 5 known values. So here we write a forward difference interpolation formula. So what is the formula? y0 dash plus u del y dash 0 plus u minus 1 upon factorial 2 del 2y0 del 2y dash 0 plus u minus 1 u minus 2 upon factorial 3 del 3 y0 dash plus u minus 1 u minus 2 u minus 3 upon factorial 4 del 3 del 4 y0 del 4 y0. So and what here we are going to find out? We are going to find out the dx integration of this one. So from x0 to x4, x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, we have a 5 values. So we able to find out the what? We able to find out the fourth order differences. So how we integrate this one? This one is a function of a u, and this one is a what? This one is a integration with respect to x. So you cannot integrate with respect to u unless you convert this one dx in term of a du. So what we are going to do? We are going to write what? We are going to write y4 here we write what? We know that in a forward interpolation formula u equal what? X minus x0 upon h. So what is the value for dx? Dx become what? h du. And what is the lower limit? If you put x equal x0, lower limit become what? X equal x0, then x0 minus x0 divided by h. This one is about 0. What is the upper limit? Upper limit become x4 minus x0 divided by h, and x4 is this one is equal class interval. At an equal class interval, this become what? x0 plus 4h minus x0 divided by h. This will become what? 4. So what is the lower limit? Lower limit become what? Lower limit become 0. What is the upper limit? Upper limit become 4. And dx become what? h du. Now what is the y4? Y4 become now y0 plus integrate h become outside. Here this becomes 0 to 4 because lower limit becomes 0 and upper limit become 4. Inside what will happen? y0 dash plus u del y0 dash plus u minus 1 upon factorial 2 del 2 y0 dash, and similarly we write a 4 term plus u minus 1, u minus 2 upon factorial 3 del 3 y0 dash plus 1 another term plus u minus 1, u minus 2, u minus 3 upon factorial 4 del 4 y0 dash d. So as usual we integrate this one with respect to what? With respect to u, and putting the upper and lower limit. What is the value after integrating? After integrating, what is the value? y4 become y4 equal y0 plus 4h by 3. Now here this become 2y1 dash minus 2y2 y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. Very nice. So this one is after solving this one, okay? So you integrate this one. This one is a very easy. It's not a very tough task. Means integration of this term is y0 dash u, and integration of this one is a u square by 2, and here u 1 by 2 outside, u cube by 3 minus u square by 2 in a similar manner, and putting the upper and lower limit and simplify, then we get what? Then we get y4 equal y0 plus 4h by 3, 2y1 minus y2 dash plus 2y3. Now you may see this one is a what? This one is a for n equal 3. Now if you put n equal 4, then what will happen? This become y5 equal y1 plus x1 to x5, then this become y1 plus x1 to x5, and this limit become 1 to 5 and d, and here this become y1 dash y1 del y1 dash del 2 y1 dash del 3 y1 dash del 4 y1 dash, and after integrating, what we get? We get y5 equal y1 plus 4h by 3 2y2 dash minus y3 dash plus 2y4 dash. So in a similar manner, if we write, what is the predictor formula? Predictor formula become what? Predictor formula become yn plus 1 equal yn minus 3 plus 4h by 3 inside 2 times y n minus 2 dash minus yn minus 1 dash plus 2yn dash. So this one is a what? This one is a predictor formula. This one is a what? This one is a predictor formula. This one is known as a yn plus 1 predictor formula. Yn plus 1 predictor formula. Similarly, we find the corrector formula. So as earlier we discussed, means what is the value of means integration, what is the value of j? J become n minus 1. If j become n minus 1, then we find a what? We find a Milnor corrector formula. So now we derive the Milnor corrector formula. Now what is the Milnor corrector formula? Milnor's corrector formula. Milnor corrector formula. So yn plus 1 equal y say xj to xn plus 1 fxy dx. So yn plus 1 equal what? Y for j equal n minus 1. For j equal n minus 1. For j equal n minus 1, this become what? Yn minus 1 plus xn minus 1 to xn plus 1. In place of fxy, we write what? Y dash dx, because we are deriving the correct formula for dy by dx equal fxy. So here, if n equal what? N equal 1. N equal 1, then this become what? Y2 equal n equal 1, this become y0 plus this become x0 to x2 y dash dx. Now again, by the forward interpolation formula, we write how many number of terms here, known values? x0, x1 and x2. We have only 3 known values. Then we able to fit polynomial of a degree 1. If there is a 3 known values, then polynomial of a degree 2. So polynomial of a degree 2. So what will happen here? So if we put y2 equal y0 plus x0 to x2, and how many number of term here we write? We write y dash 0 plus u minus u del y dash 0 plus u minus 1 upon factorial 2 del 2 y dash 0, and all other term become what? All other term become 0. So if we put here y2 equal y0 plus x0 to x2 dx, means we convert the dx into what? In term of a u. Means what is the value of a u? U equal what? X minus x0 upon h. X minus x0 upon h. So what is the value of a dx? Dx become what? H du. Dx become h du. And what is the lower limit? As we know that if we put x equal x0, then this becomes 0. So lower limit become what? 0. What is the upper limit? Upper limit become 2. Upper limit become 2, because if we put x equal x2, x2 minus x0, in place of x2 we write what? x0 plus 2h. x0 plus 2h. So what is the value of integration? This become what? y2 equal y0 plus what? H become outside, inside 0 to 2, inside y0 dash plus u del y0 dash plus u minus 1 upon factorial 2 del 2 y0 dash d. In place of a del y0, means what is the value of a del y0 dash? y1 dash minus y0 dash del 2 y0 dash del square, means here we write del equal in term of a shift operator e minus 1 whole square, and if we simplify this one, then what is the result? We able to write directly what is the value? y0 plus h by 3, and what is the value? Value become y0 dash plus 4y1 dash plus what will happen here? y2 dash. So this one is a value. This one is the y0 dash, 4y1 dash plus y2 dash. So this one is a value of a what? This one is a value of a y2. Now similarly, what is the value of a y3? Here we write directly, means after integrating this value, because we know that this one is the result during the Simpson derivation of a Simpson 1/3 formula. Means if we integrate this one, you may integrate this one. This one is a very easy to integrate this one with respect to u, means u del y0 dash u square by 2 del y0 dash u. Again we integrate this one and putting in place of a del e minus 1 shift operator, e is the shift operator, e minus 1, and using the property of a shift operator we able to find out this result. Now similarly, what is the value of y3? y3 become what? y1 plus h by 3 y1 dash plus 4y2 dash plus y3 dash. Now in a similar manner, what is the value of yn plus 1? Yn plus 1 equal yn plus 1 equal, in a similar manner, here this one is a 3, this one is a 1, 2, 0, then n plus 1, this become what? N minus 1. N minus 1 plus n minus 1 plus h by 3 inside yn minus 1 dash plus 4 yn dash plus yn plus 1 dash. So this one is also known as a what? Character formula. So if we write in a highlight this one is a what? This one is a predictor formula and known as a Milne predictor formula. This one is a what? This one is a given by the Simpson character formula and sometimes also known as a what? Milne character formula. So this one is a Milne predictor formula and this one is a Milne character formula. In a character formula, if you closely observe, there is a y dash n plus 1. Y dash n plus 1. Only be able to calculate the value of a y dash n plus 1 if we have a value of a what? Yn plus 1. Means dy by dx equal fxy. This one is a given. Y dash equal fxy. This one is a given. This one is a given. So if we have a value of a yn plus 1, then only be able to calculate the value of a yn plus 1 dash. Otherwise we are unable to find out this value. So how we find the value of a yn plus 1? We find the value of a yn plus 1 with the help of a what? With the help of a predictor formula. Once we find the value of a yn plus 1, so you may also write here yn plus 1 predicted value of a yn plus 1 dash. So sometime here you may write, to avoid the confusion, how we find the yn plus 1 dash p. We find the yn plus 1 dash with the help of a what? With the help of a predictor formula. So this one is a what? This one is a predictor character formula. Now predict the value of a what? Predict the value of a n plus 1. So what are the values are required? Values are required what? Yn minus 1, yn minus 2 and yn minus 3. So we give the input what? We give the input here. What are the values? Yn minus 3, yn minus 2, yn minus 1 and yn. Once we give these values, then we calculate the yn dash, yn minus 1 dash, yn minus 2 dash, and here we write yn minus 3. So here you may directly write this one, then we predict the value of a yn plus 1. Predict yn plus 1. Okay, then we what? We correct the yn plus 1. Correct yn plus 1. Then again we use this one, and from predictor we move to the character and move to the next step. Next step if required. Required means if there is a need to find out the value of at any other point. So to move to the next step, and again we move here. So this one is a what? This one is a iterative scheme. This one is a procedure how we solve a numerical problem. Now we try to solve a numerical problem. Now we solve a numerical problem based on using the Milne predictor character methods. So here find the value for y2 if yx is the solution of a dy by dx equal 1 by 2x plus y, and these values are given by Milne predictor character method. Milne's predictor character method. Predictor character method. Predictor character method. Predictor character method. So here there is a need to find out the value of y2, and there are 4 known values. So this one is also a disadvantage, means there is a need of at least 4 value to find out the next value in a Milne predictor character method. So here just we write a what? Just we write a Milne predictor character formula. So what is the Milne predictor formula? First we write the Milne predictor formula. Predictor formula. Milne predictor formula. So what is the Milne's predictor formula? We know that what? Y n plus 1 predicted value equal yn minus 3 yn minus 3 plus 4h by 3 inside what is the value? Yn minus 2yn minus 2 dash minus yn minus 1 dash plus 2yn dash. So this one is a Milne predictor formula. So for n equal, there is a need to find out the value of x0, x1, x2, x3 is a given. There is a need to find out the value of y4. So what is the value of n? N become 3. If n equal 3, then what will happen? y4 predicted equal y0 plus 4h by 3. 4h by 3 inside the bracket, this become n equal 3, then 2y dash 3 minus 2 means 1 minus y dash y2 dash plus 2y 3 dash. So this one is a values. So here what is the value for y0? y0 is a given. y0 is a what? 2. So there is a need to calculate the value for what? y1 dash, y2 dash and y3 dash. So we know that what is the value of y? If we compare here dy by dx, what is the given? Given dy by dx is a 1 by 2 x plus y. This one is a given, and if we denote this one is by the y dash. So what is the value for y1 dash? So what is the value for y1 dash? y1 dash become 1 by 2 x1 y1, x1 plus y1. And what is the value for x1? If we denote this one is a what? x0 is this one. Here if we write x0 means x0 equal 0, y0 equal 2, x1 equal 0.5, y1 equal 2.636, x2 equal 1.0 and y2 equal 3.595 and x3 equal 1.5 and y3 equal 4.968. So simply from the condition we write in a notational form x0, x1, x2, x3, y0, y1, y2, y3. So if we closely observe, what is the value of h? Difference of this one. H become what? 0.5. This one is the value of h. So this one is the value of h. How we find the y1? Y1 become 1 by 2. 1 by 2. What is the value of x1? x1 is a 0.5 plus 2.636. 2.636. This one is the value. So if we simplify this one, I have already noted down the value of this one. This one is a 1.5680. This one equal 1.5680. 5, 6, 8, 6. Now similarly, sorry, y2 dash, sorry, y2 dash equal 1 by 2 x2 plus y2. This one equal 1 by 2. y2 dash equal 1 by 2 x2 plus y2. So if we put x2 y2, this become 1.0 plus what is the value of y2? y2 become 3.595. So if we simplify this one, I have already noted down the value for this one is the what? 2.2975. 2.2975. Similarly, what is the value of y3 dash? 1 by 2 x3 plus y3 equal 1 by 2. What is the value of x3? x3 is a 1.5. 1.5 plus 4.968. 4.968. So what is the value of this one? After simplification, the value of this one is a 3.2340. 2340. So these are the values. So now if you put the values of a y1 dash, y2 dash, y3 dash here, y1 dash, y2 dash and y3 dash here, then we find the what? Then we find the solution. If we write here, what we write here, if we write here, if we write here, what is the values? Values of a y4 predicted. Y4 predicted equal what? Y0. What is the value of a y0? Y0 is a 2 plus 4. What is the value of h? S is a 0.5. 0.5 divided by 3 inside the bracket 2y1 dash. 2y1 dash means 2 time of a y1 dash. 2 time of a into 1.5680. 5680. 5680 minus what is the value? Value is a y2 dash minus 2.2975 plus 2 times of a what? y3 dash 3.2340. 3.2340. So this one is a value. This one is a 4h by 3. So if we simplify this one, what is the value of a y4 predicted? After simplification, what is the value for this one? I have already noted down the value for this one. Y4 predicted is a what? Y4 predicted is a 6.871. 6.871. This one is a y4 predicted. So once we find the y4 predicted, then we find a y4 dash predicted and find a what? Find a y4 corrected. So how we find the corrected value of y4? Then we use what? Then we use the Milne character formula. Now what is the Milne character formula? Milne character formula, here we write Milne character formula. Character formula. Character formula. Milne character formula. So what is the means iterative scheme means in term of n? What is the Milne character formula? Yn plus 1 character formula equal what? Yn minus 1 plus h by 3 inside the bracket y dash n minus 1 plus 4 y dash n plus yn plus 1 dash. So for n equal 3, what will happen? For n equal 3, this become what? y4 corrected value equal y2, 3 minus 1 y2 plus h by 3. This become what? 3 minus 1 y2 dash plus y2 dash plus 4 y3 dash plus y4 dash. How we find the value for y4 dash? We have a predicted value for y4. So y4 dash become what? We know that what is the dy by dx? Dy by dx is a given what? 1 by 2 x plus y. 1 by 2x plus y. So this one is a y dash. So what is the y4 dash? Y4 dash become 1 by 2 x4 plus y4. And what is the value for this one? Value for this one is a 1 by 2. What is the x4? In a similar manner, if we write 0.5, 1.0, 1.5, next value is a what? Next value is a 2. So 1 by 2 x4 is a 2 plus y4. Y4 predicted is a 6.871. 871. So if we simplify this one, the value is a what? The value is a 6 to 8. 8.871 means 8.871 divided by 2. This one equal what? 2 4s are 8. 0.24s are 8. 355. Not a corrected value. So this one is a what? Y4 dash. Y4 dash equal what? 1 by 2 x4 y4 plus 1 by 2 2 plus 6.87. This one is a value for what? 4.435. Now we find out y4 corrected. We calculate this value because there is a need of a what? Y4 dash. So here we noted down the value of a y4 dash. Y4 dash become what? Y4 dash become here x4 become 2.0 and y4 predicted value become what? Y4 predicted value becomes 6.871 and I have already written the values for this one means there is a need to what? There is a need to 4.435. I have already noted down the value of a y4 dash. Now, what is the y4 corrected? Y4 corrected formula become what? This one become y4 corrected equal, what is the value of a y2? The value of a y2 is what? 3.595. 3.595 plus h by 3. H means 0.5. 0.5 divided by 3. What is the value of a y2 dash? I have already calculated the value of a y2 dash and noted down the value of a y2 dash. Y2 dash is a what? Y2 dash is a 2.2975. 2975. So plus 4 y3 dash. Y3 dash is a what? Into 3.2340 plus y4 dash. Y4 dash that we have calculated, the value of a y4 dash is a what? 4.4355. So how we find the y4 corrected? Y4 corrected after simplification of this one, y4 corrected equal if we simplify this one h by 3 and this term, then this become what? 6.8732. 8732. So 6.8732. This one is what? This one is a corrected value. So I have already noted down the values for this one. Means y1 dash, y2 dash, y3 dash, and after that y4 predicted with the help of a Milne predictor formula. This one is 6.871. Then we calculate x4 is a what? X4 is a 2. then y4, we consider y4 equals this one, then we calculate the value of a y4 dash. Y4 dash is a 4.4355, and y4 corrected with the help of this formula, we find the value of a corrected value of y4 with the help of a Milne corrector formula, and this one is what? Predicted value. So what is the predicted value? 6.871. And what is the corrected value? Corrected value is a 6.8732. So what is the summary of our Milne predictor corrector methods? So dy by dx is a given, means a y dash is a given, and x0, y0, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 is a given. Then we find y1 dash, y2 dash, y3 dash. Then we write the iterative scheme of Milne predictor formula, and putting the values of y1 dash, y2 dash, y3 dash, and y0 dash. Then we find the value of y4 predicted. Once we find the value of y4 predicted, then using the value of y4 predicted and value of x4 that we can obtain by adding the value of h, then we find the y4 dash. Once we find the y4 dash, then we apply a predictor corrector formula. We write a predictor corrector formula, and putting the values of y2 dash, y3 dash, y4 dash, and this one is what? Y4 predicted dash. Then we find the y4 corrected. So this one is a what? This one is a way how we solve a numerical problem using the Milne predictor corrector method. Once we predict the value, then again we correct that value. So this one is a Milne predictor corrector method.